Toyota has unveiled the all-new Granvia, reviving a nameplate that was discontinued since 2004. Built on the same platform as the all-new Hiace, the Granvia is designed as a luxurious people mover, capable of seating 8 with ease. In addition to that, the all-new Granvia is fitted with 4-link coil spring rear suspension for improved comfort. For the Australian market, the all-new Granvia will be offered with one turbodiesel powertrain, though Toyota has yet to confirm the exact engine and transmission. 2 variants of the all-new Granvia will be made available, with features such as powered rear sliding doors, second-row captain seats, and leather upholstery separating them.
Both variants of the all-new Granvia will get active cruise control and Toyota's pre-collision safety system, PCS, in addition to the generous 9 airbags. Set to arrive in Australian showrooms by the 4th quarter of the year, the all-new Toyota Granvia will be replacing the long-serving Toyota Estima.